Hello and welcome back to the Sassy Moms channel. It's been a while, guys. We are back for another adventure. Right now we're doing an Alaskan cruise, 7-day Alaskan cruise, and I can't be more than any happier doing this. How about you? I'm super excited to see what's in store for us on the 7-day cruise. This is my ultimate bucket list. Number one on my top list, and it's happening. It's coming true. I'm so excited. Okay. Welcome to sea. Who's cruising today? We started sailing, guys. We just left the pier. It's an amazing day. It's sunny. It was actually raining earlier this morning, but change of weather. So that's Seattle downtown for you right there. That's the Space Needle. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there, right there. We'll see you later. See you later. Hello, come in. For today's video, I am going to share to you guys how the Veranda stateroom in Holland America Cruise Line looks like. So let's have a look. Okay, so as you walk in, the first thing or first door on your left is the bathroom. It's a pretty decent sized bathroom, and it surprisingly has a tub. Of course, you have your shampoo, conditioner, and some shower gel there, towels, and another soap and lotion over there. And on your right hand side, as you walk in, are the cabinets. It has a pretty big and spacious storage. So we already unpacked our stuff so that we don't have to dig in our luggages, and it's easier for us to move along. And the life jackets are obviously, it was on the top. I just had to move it on the bottom so I can have room for our clothes and stuff. And there's a safe. And this is the bed. It's actually two twin beds that are joined together, and two side cabinets, and they both have plugs, outlets, and reading light if you don't want it too bright. And huge mirror on the background. Across that mirror is your television, and where Megan is at right now is a couch that turns into a bed. It's a pull-out couch. You have a nice table there, and over here is your dresser, fridge. By the way, these aren't free. We thought initially it was complimentary, but it's not. So just be mindful of the things that you want to open, because you do have to pay them. And a few more outlets here and also over here. And of course, the best part of this room is the veranda or the balcony. Also, guys, they do have the activities. They will give you a handout or schedule for the day, and it does tells you what the activities are each time, and the location on each activities. And I believe these are handed to you every single day. So we have this for today, April 30, Saturday, from 12 noon all the way up to midnight. And if you guys are wondering what the requirements are before you can start cruising, vaccination card, of course your passport, and your COVID testing. So there you have it, guys. Again, this is the Veranda stateroom of Holland America Cruise Line, and we are going to Alaska. It's a 7-day cruise, and the ship is called Eurodam. They do have multiple ships, and I think there's a couple that sails through Alaska and Caribbean and Europe and everywhere else in the world, I guess. So this is the room. It's pretty decent, spacious, and you have a lot of storage. Actually, if you're wondering where we kept our luggages, we put it and actually tucked it underneath the bed. So make use of that space so that it doesn't really block your walkways, you know, in and out of the room. So you'll have more space to move around, and I kind of like that. I like my room kind of neat and tidy. So yeah, I hope you like this very short video of mine. I just want to share how, you know, the again, the veranda room looks like here in Holland, America. And if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit that like as well, subscribe, and that bell, everything else just hit them. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, guys. Peace out.